If you are an XRP holder, you're going to want to watch this video. My name is EQ. I've helped over 1,300 people learn how to trade since 2021. And in today's video, we're going to be going over a quick technical analysis on XRP to see where price could potentially go and where we could see price going moving forward. Now, first things first, when we created this range high back in January 16th of 2025, we created a higher high. Meanwhile, if you would have looked at volume and momentum, you would have seen we were creating lower highs. Those are signs of a regular bearish divergence. And to be more specific, a regular bearish divergence is a reversal pattern that leans into a bearish trend. Now, we saw a major sell-off, we went into a bearish crossover, and we pushed down with a liquidity sweep down to about $1.76, and we've been able to maintain support on the daily candlesticks and candle bodies at about $2.33. Now, at this exact moment, XRP is definitely looking oversold on the daily. If you zoom into the MACD, you can see relatively oversold. This is what I would call a hidden bullish divergence because you're going to get higher lows on price action and you're going to get lower lows on the oscillators, which means that this is already exhausted and showing signs of a continuation to the top side. And because we had a liquidity sweep between the 50 Fibonacci and the 60 to 180 Fibonacci, this is considered the golden pocket. And this could easily push price to the take profit 2 point based on the Fibonacci retracement to the extension. Now, once I scroll up, you'll start to see those extension points, and based on that take profit 2, that's going to put us at about $5, give or take, which means that XRP can easily hit the $5 range if it really wanted to in one strong impulse move after it breaks those range highs and the all-time highs around that $3.50 range. Which, by the way, if you want to come trade with me or want to learn how I trade, go check out the EPIQ Trading Floor. I'll tag the link in the video as well as in the description. If you grab one of the all access free trials, you'll get access to the academy, buy and sell signals, trade alerts, community, mobile app, all of that for free for 3 days. Now, although the upside is great for XRP, you have to remember the downside too. So just because this is holding support right now at $2.30 does not mean that this theoretically cannot come down one more time, let's say, and test $1.96, maybe even down to this $1.77 range, confirm a long-term support, and then swing back to the top side. The reason why I like this $1.96 range so much is because that's going to be the all-time high from 2021. And that was the high created right before the lawsuit kicked in and price really started to drop. So if we can take this price, which was once a major resistance, and then turn this into a long-term support. So not only is that going to be an SR flip, but it's going to be a bull market range high SR flip, which is even more valuable and better long-term. Now, all in all, I would love to see XRP hit the $6 to $10 range in 2025. That's my target point. That's where I'm going to be DCAing out, and that's where I'm going to be taking the majority of my liquidity out of the market. And when it comes to XRP, at the end of the day, it's not a matter of if, but when the lawsuit is going to end. And whenever it does end and they pay that money, however much it is, you can imagine that price can go parabolic very fast. We've been waiting years for this lawsuit to end. Every single time there's a little bit of a hint of this lawsuit coming to an end, you can see price go parabolic. So as you can imagine, whenever that day does come that this does officially end, you could see XRP really start to skyrocket. Mind you, none of this is financial advice. I'm not paid by the XRP team in any way, and I am currently invested in XRP at the making of this video. But on the long term, what I really want to see is this continued inflow of volume. Ideally, I want to see this turn into a bull flag continuation pattern so you can see volume has been relatively in a downtrend after a long-term uptrend. So if we do see a little support hold here and a swing back to the top side, you could see a bull flag continuation pattern based on volume. And this is going to wrap up this video on XRP. If you have any other questions, drop them in the comment section. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. It takes 1 second. If you want to come trade with me, go check out the EPIQ Trading Floor. I hope everyone has an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on wherever you tune in the world, and I will see you on the next one.